Hello and welcome. I'm a hotel AI expert, and I'm so pleased to welcome all of you, the students of European Hotel School, to your online learning journey. Now, as you all know, this industry runs on seamless execution. But for decades, one persistent problem has kind of thrown a wrench in the works. In this explainer, we're going to break down how AI is, well, finally changing the game.
So let's start with a question. As a future hotel manager, you're going to be juggling a million moving parts every single day. But what about the problems you can't see coming? How do you manage something that's truly unpredictable? Well, one of the biggest, and let's be honest, most frustrating of these challenges is employee absenteeism. And this isn't just some logistical headache for the manager. No, it's a direct hit to your guest experience, to your team's morale, really to the overall success of your entire hotel. And for way too long, the industry has been stuck in this reactive loop. You know the drill. A housekeeper or a front desk agent calls in sick, and suddenly it's this mad dash to find a replacement. This constant firefighting, it doesn't just burn out your best people, it can leave your guests with a bad taste in their mouths, wondering why the service isn't quite up to par.
But what if you could see it coming? That's exactly where predictive AI enters the picture. And look, this is not just another tech buzzword. This is a powerful, a truly game-changing tool for smart, forward-thinking hotel managers just like you.
So you're probably wondering, how does this AI magic actually work? Well, it's all based on something called workforce analytics. Now, don't let the fancy name fool you. It's really just about using the data your hotel is already collecting to make smarter decisions about your staff. The best way to think about it? It's like having data-driven intuition. Here's how it works, broken down into 3 pretty simple steps. First, the AI crunches the numbers on your hotel's past attendance records. Okay, easy enough. Then it starts to identify patterns, things like spikes in absences during holidays, big city events, or even just after a series of really long shifts. And finally, it flags these high-risk periods and sends you an alert, giving you a crucial head start to plan. And this isn't just some small operational tweak we're talking about. This represents a complete shift in management philosophy. We're literally moving away from a world of constant crisis response and into one of smart, strategic, proactive planning. You can see the difference right here, plain as day. On the left, you've got the old way, total last-minute chaos and stress. On the right, you have the new way, calm, cool, and in control. Think of the AI as your personal staffing weather forecast. It doesn't just tell you a storm is coming, it gives you time to actually grab an umbrella. But here's the really important part, okay? This technology isn't just about making your life as a manager easier. It's about creating a better, a fairer, and a more supportive workplace for your entire team. This idea, this quote, really gets to the heart of it. Instead of playing the blame game, asking who called out today, you can start asking the right questions, like, why is my team at risk for burnout next week? You see? The AI helps you get ahead of the problem so you can focus on supporting your people, not just reacting to their absences. And the benefits for your team are just huge. This system can spot when someone is consistently overworked, when they're at risk of burning out, giving you the data you need to step in and help before it becomes a crisis. As a future leader, this is exactly the kind of smart, people-focused management that's going to set you apart in this industry. So, after all of that, what's the single most important idea I want you to carry with you into your career as a hotel leader? It's this. AI isn't just about efficiency, it's about being a better leader. It is a tool that empowers you to be more strategic, more proactive, and, frankly, more supportive of your team. And that is how you build a hotel operation that doesn't just survive, but truly thrives. So, we've seen how AI can totally transform the way we handle something like absenteeism. But that is just the beginning. I want you to think bigger. What other operational challenges? From managing inventory to creating unforgettable guest experiences. What else could you solve with this proactive approach? The possibilities are endless. So the real question is, what problem will you solve?